What are the top 5 ways to use lemon essential oil? Well, we're going to take a look here for just a couple minutes on our second oil in our daily habits series, and it's lemon. I love all things citrus. I love lemon. I love lemon cookies. I love lemon everything. So I am excited to talk about lemon. And when you think about lemon, I want you to think about one word. To be able to work this in as a daily habit, think cleansing. When you need something purified or cleansed or detoxed, uplifted, because when we clean things, we feel more uplifted, right? So I want you to think of the word cleansing. So when you're thinking about something arises and you're like, I'm not sure which oil to grab, think lemon if it needs to be cleaned or cleansed. So our top 5 ways, I'm going to run through these. Number 1 is detoxing. This is a big part of our doTERRA cleanse and detox program. We use lemon oil. I love to wake up every single day and I'll either grab a coffee mug, I'll grab a glass of water, stainless steel water bottle, and I'll put a couple drops of lemon into that every single day and drink that 8 ounces of water before anything else. So if you've watched our other daily habits on peppermint, I wake up and I breathe peppermint in. But the second thing that I do is I put 2 drops of lemon into my water, drink 8 ounces of water before I eat anything. It gets my digestive tract awake, it gets it moving, and the lemon helps your body to detox naturally. It helps your cells to literally get rid of the waste and the things that it shouldn't be holding and allow it to be able to take in the things that it needs, like oxygen and water and nutrients. The second thing is cleaning. So lemon is awesome to clean with. It has an amazing smell. Maybe you grew up in a home that used lemon pledge or pine sol or things like that had such a strong lemon or orange smell. And so those things to you represent clean, but with those type of cleaners, we're getting a lot of chemicals. And chemical cleaners, they actually persist in the air up to 3 days after you use them. So a lot of people that work from home or that are doing their cleaning with these type of cleaners constantly deal with headaches. They deal with different types of symptoms, even hormonal symptoms. And they don't realize a lot of it is linked to the chemical cleaners. The things that go around us, they actually are going in us. And so this was a big one for us and our family. This is how we wanted to make lemon a daily habit, was to incorporate it into our cleaning regimen. And to do that, you'll want some sort of glass spray bottle. These amber bottles are great because it protects it from sunlight and from heat, from the sun, so it makes sure it protects your oil. Just fill it with water and you put a couple drops of your lemon in there, and it's great to spray down cabinets and countertops, and it's great for other cleaning as well. Okay, so the third thing that I do as a daily habit is cooking. I already told you I drink it daily, but I don't know if you knew you can cook with our certified pure therapeutic grade oils. On every bottle, you'll see the CPTG seal. That means, in layman's terms, it is pure, it's safe, it's the best of the best, and you can internalize it, and it's safe to do so. And I love to cook with lemon. So one of my favorite recipes is my lemon cookies. It's on our blog. I love making those. I love lemon everything, lemon bread, lemon bars. And you'll find in our recipes, we substitute a lot of our flour with protein. So we make it healthier in every way possible, where we're substituting even some of the carbohydrates with protein, as well as adding my favorite lemon essential oil in to make it just so yummy. We made chicken the other night, and we just took a gallon freezer bag, put the chicken in, put oil in there with some salt and pepper, and let it marinate for a while. Put the lemon oil in, and it was absolutely delicious. Nathan threw it on the grill, and it was super, super easy. A way to make that a daily habit is, even on Sundays, take your meat and grill it all up or cook it all up, and our kids will take that in their lunches, or we'll use that as dinner starters throughout the week. So you can do some lemon, you can do some lime. We've got all kinds of fun oils that you can flavor your chicken or your beef or your meat with, and that's an easy way to work it in and get the health benefits as well. Another thing that you can use lemon for on a daily basis is residue removal. So I don't know if you've ever gotten something from the store and the sticker's been stuck on it and you pull it off and it leaves just that gummy residue. Lemon is awesome. Just take it, open it up, You just go like this and just rub it right into it. If you need to be careful about the surrounding things as well. Or you can just dump a drop right on and rub that in. It'll help get gum and that sticky residue off. And last but not least, our fifth way is it's uplifting. It helps uplift the mood. I've got it actually in my diffuser now. It's so uplifting. It's energizing. It actually purifies and refreshes the air. And when it comes to purifying, just a little side note so that you can work this into your daily habit as well. I actually don't leave home without lemon in my purse, because if we go to a restaurant or we have to eat out or we have to grab something fast and I don't have my purified water with me, I put a drop of lemon into my water and it actually purifies the water. It helps kill the bacteria, which is why I said cleansing. Lemon is so great for cleansing. So these 5 main ways that you can work this in to make this a daily habit and start using lemon daily is for detoxing or cleansing, for cleaning your home. Super simple. If you don't have a glass spray bottle, just drop it on your counter and then just wipe it off. Cooking, start working it in ways to cook. Keep it in your kitchen right there where you're cooking. Residue removal, instead of grabbing some of the other chemical cleaners and things to do that, try lemon. And grease and stain removal. And then just uplifting. Put it in your diffuser. Put it in your hands and breathe it in. Put it on your wrists so that you can smell it. It has such an uplifting aroma to help not only purify the air, but also to lift the mood. So these are my top 5 ways to work this in and make lemon oil a daily habit. Let me know how it's working for you.